This is a super quick how-to video on capturing photos of a laser light show with a simple formula to help you capture some of the intensity of a light show event. And right now in Melbourne, we have a winter event happening called Now or Never, and there's a ton of fun for photographers on offer in the city this week. I popped into the Melbourne Town Hall tonight to catch a special installation by Robin Fox. Entry is free and cameras are allowed inside. This is a very intense laser show with some heavy beats going on inside. Earplugs might be a good recommendation in addition to your camera. I didn't take a tripod. You can't always be sure tripods are welcome at crowded events, and in any case, I had a plan to get some nice shots regardless. My strategy for photography in this scenario is simple. I want to use a slow shutter and a very wide lens to capture a little of the drama. I was shooting with the Sony ZV-E1 tonight, paired with Tamron's 12 to 20mm f2.8, which allowed me to get very, very wide. And you really do want that. It's a big scene and an ultra-wide perspective is great for this kind of moment. I locked the camera down in manual exposure and manual focus. I set my shutter speed to 1/8 of a second because this camera has built-in stab and it does pretty good at 1/8. I kicked the ISO up to ISO 800. And from there, I slide the aperture ring on the Tamron to experiment with the light on offer. The lasers come and go with the beats, and some parts of the show are brighter than others. There were times when f2.8 was nice, but then I had to slide back to 5.6 when things got a little bit too bright. I'm using the continuous burst mode on the shutter, and I'm just keeping an eye on whether I'm blowing out or whether things are going really black, and I'm just feeling my way for the aperture. It's pretty easy to get something in focus with f2.8 on a 12mm perspective. It's very wide and you get a fair bit of depth of field even at 2.8. And I like keeping things simple with this manual setup, and being able to quickly roll the aperture ring gives me a nice analog feel to controlling the light. This particular lens allows you to de-click the iris as well, which gives me a smooth roll of the ring, and I'm just feeling what my exposures are coming up with as I'm watching the screen. I like using a very slow shutter for this kind of gig because it gives a smoother finish to the images and it removes any jitters that the laser frequency might otherwise inject. My goal tonight was simply to get a few silhouettes of people as well as the geometry of the lasers. This is a fun photography subject and a chance to practice your manual exposure skills. If you'd like to know more about the Tamron 12 to 20mm lens, I have a full review of that on my channel as well. I am a fan of what Tamron have done here. This is a beautiful ultra-wide zoom lens. The installation was created by Robin Fox as part of the Now or Never event happening in Melbourne, and it runs until August 27. So if you are local to Melbourne, you don't want to miss out on this. Get into the CBD and check it out. Thanks for joining me for this short video. Have a great day.